Good morning students, welcome to Way Tutorial by Vinesh sir. Today we are going to discuss about the class 10th chemistry lesson 2 video number 3rd, and today's topic is strength of acidic and basic solution. Strength of acidic and basic solution. Strength of acidic and basic solution. So students, we have discussed in video number 1 about acid and video number 2 about bases, all the properties, definition, along with all the definition and properties. So in this video we are going to tell you about the pH scale. Okay, topic is strength of acidic and basic solution. Means how will you find out the strength of acidic or basic solution. So we can find out the strength of acid and base by using a device, and that device is known as pH scale. Okay students, so what is pH scale? pH stands for power of hydrogen ion concentration. Okay, this scale or this device is discovered by a scientist Sorensen in 1909. Okay, in 1909 Sorensen discovered a device or scale which is called pH scale, which is used to measure the strength of acidic and basic solution. Okay students, now in this scale the number stands from 0 to 14. Okay, in this scale, in pH scale, from 0 to 14 numbers are there, and just like this, suppose this is the pH scale. Okay, here 0, here 7, and here 14. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay students, so if any solution which have pH less than 7, that is acidic solution, and those solutions which have pH of greater than 7, that is basic solution. Okay students, basic solution, and at the point 7, that is neither acidic nor basic, this means it is neutral solution. One more question in your mind: if the pH value greater than 7, less than 7, that is 6, 5, 4, etc. at 0, then what will be the acidity? Acidity increases. Suppose you have two numbers, pH 0 and pH 1. So which is more acidic? If anybody asks, you have two solutions, one have a pH of 0 and one have a pH of 1. So which is more acidic? Then your answer will be 1, but it was wrong. Q? Because 0 is the more acidic than pH of 1. Similarly, for 5 and 6, 5 is more acidic than 6 pH. Okay, but for basic solution it is opposite. When the number is greater, then the basic solution, your basicity of the solution will be greater. Suppose you have two solutions, one of pH 10 and one of pH 12. Which is more basic? Basic is 12, more basic. In acidic, the number is less. If the number is less, then it is more acidic. 0 is more acidic than 1. 2 is more acidic than 3. But for basic, greater the number, greater will be the what? Basicity. Okay students? So we can say that pH of a solution inversely proportional to hydrogen ion concentration, H plus ion. Means if H plus is more, then the pH value is less. Yes, inversely proportional. Point should be noted. pH of a solution, yeah, pH is inversely proportional to the hydrogen ion concentration. Okay, if pH is less, then it is more acidic. If pH is more, then it will be more basic. Okay, and one thing is more, for example, some examples just like milk. Milk has a pH of 6.5. 6.5 means it is acidic in nature, less acidic, weak acidic. In milk, that is lactic acid is present. Lactic acid is present in the milk. Suppose for blood की जो बच्चों pH होती है, blood का जो pH होता है, that is 7.4. Blood is basic because the pH is 7.4, greater than 7. Okay, pure water, distilled water, the pH of pure water, that is distilled water, is 7. So we can say that pure water or drinking water have pH 7, therefore it is neutral, neither acidic nor basic. So this topic is finished. This is all about pH scale. And you know, in class 11 there is a formula for pH, but I told you in class 10. I'm going to tell you pH is equal to minus logarithm of H plus ion. This is the formula to calculate the pH of any solution which have hydrogen ion concentration in the given question. Okay, if in question hydrogen ion H plus ion concentration is given, so you can calculate the pH value of that solution by using this formula. pH is equal to minus log of H plus. Okay, thank you.